In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana tags. 5 minutes. Tags in Asana are simple, powerful labels that help you categorize tasks, filter your views, and spot priorities at a glance. Let's walk through creating, using, and managing them from start to finish. First, head to Asana and sign in. On the login page, enter your email, click Continue, then enter your password and select Log In. Once you're on your home page, open the project where you want to start organizing work. Open a task and expand its details panel. In the task pane, look for the three-dot More menu and choose Add Tags. Type the label you want. If it doesn't exist yet, Asana will create it as a new tag when you press Enter. You'll now see that tag on the task, and back on the project list, you'll notice a tag column, making it easy to scan and sort. You can add multiple tags to the same task if needed, and they'll stack neatly in that column. If you don't see the tag column right away, switch to the list view or widen your window so all columns are visible. Think of tags as flexible categories you can apply across projects, great for things like priority, work stream, channel, or tech stack. Keep tag names short and consistent so teammates can find and reuse them easily. If you need to edit or clean up tags, open the task again and click the tag itself to open its tag page. From there, use the Actions dropdown. Choose Rename to update the tag's name everywhere it's used. Pick Set Color to give the tag a distinct hue, which really improves scanning in list and board views. If a tag has served its purpose, select Delete Tag and confirm. That will remove it from all tasks across your workspace. So only delete when you're sure it's no longer needed. Otherwise, renaming or merging conventions might be a better choice. A few quick tips for smooth tagging. Decide on a small shared vocabulary. Avoid near duplicates like priority high and high priority. Use colors meaningfully, for example, red for urgent or green for ready. Don't overtag. 2 or 3 well-chosen tags per task are usually enough to make filtering and reporting effective. That's it. You've signed in, added tags from the task's More menu, seen them appear in your project's tag column, and learned how to rename, recolor, or delete a tag from the Actions dropdown. With clear, consistent tags in place, your projects become easier to scan, filter, and manage day to day. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.